Creating a juice can product packaging mockup is now fast and easy using AI, allowing anyone to design realistic product visuals without advanced software. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Mocky AI, then open the website and navigate to the mockup section. From there, go to the Home and Living category and select the can option, where you'll find multiple professionally designed can mockup templates. Choose a can mockup that suits your branding style, then upload your packaging design, such as a fruit juice label or beverage branding artwork. After uploading, adjust the design placement so it fits naturally around the can surface, ensuring proper alignment for a realistic look. You can also customize the mockup by changing the can color to better match your product theme and create a more premium presentation. Once everything looks clean and professional, preview the mockup to review the final result. When you're satisfied with the appearance, simply click the download button to save your high-quality juice can mockup. This AI-powered process makes it easy for brands, e-commerce sellers, and designers to create professional packaging visuals quickly and efficiently without needing Photoshop or complex design skills.